Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Valentina. In this video I'll show you how to make one very special meal that is Hungarian traditional meal langos. It is fried bread, and in this recipe I'll show you how to make it with a ramson, that is a wild garlic, and it has such a good green color and such a special garlic taste and smell, but it's not so strong as the regular one, so you can eat it like during the day and it won't make common problems as the regular garlic would do, and it will give such a good color and taste to your meals.
We will need 1 kg of flour, 7 deciliters of milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 45 grams of fresh yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Dissolve the yeast in sweetened lukewarm milk. Leave it until it rises. I usually use about 150 grams of wild garlic for this recipe, but you can go with less too. Blend the wild garlic with some milk. This will enhance the beautiful green color of the dough. Add the wild garlic blend to the flour, the oil and the milk with the yeast. Gradually add the milk. Mix it a bit and then add the salt. Slowly use all the prepared milk. Knead it well either with hand or with a mixer with a dough whisk. Give it one more kneading and leave it until it doubles. Now knead it again and divide the dough into 2 balls. Each ball form into a roll and cut in 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a small ball. Let these sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the oil. With well-greased hands, flatten each dough ball and place it in the hot oil. Fry the wild garlic bread until lightly golden, then turn the side until it gets a nice color. Once fried, drain the excess oil on the kitchen towel. Cover the baked fry breads until serving to keep them warm. Serve the wild garlic fried breads graciously covered with sour cream and some shredded cheese or ketchup. enjoy the best green homemade fried breads. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you are new here, subscribe and never miss any of my simply delicious recipes.